Thousands of Rhode Islanders will be without a primary care provider once Anchor Medical Associates closes their locations. NBC 10's Molly Levine explains what's next for those impacted.
I just feel lost. I just feel like I got thrown to the wolves.
Around 25,000 patients, including nearly 7,000 children, will have to find a new primary care provider after Anchor Medical Associates closes on June 30th.
I have to go online. I have to sign all the release forms. I have to get my file. That is huge.
Patients like Heather Brum are now left scrambling to find a doctor in a state that already lacks physicians.
Numbers of primary care doctors have been going down. So people, even before this closure, in our state, if you looked for a new pediatrician and you don't have a new baby, you're in trouble. It's a challenge to find a new doctor.
Something Dr. Peter Pawtucket with the Rhode Island chapter of the American Academy of Pediatricians says the state has recognized.
The ongoing discussions are things mainly around payment. So bringing up the payment to be on par with Massachusetts and Connecticut would be a goal.
So what should patients do?
They had given me a number to some physicians, and they are accepting new patients, but how do I know they're going to accept my medical?
The Rhode Island Department of Health has launched a new information page where patients can access possible providers. On the page, there are tabs where people can access insurance providers, search for providers across the state, as well as tips on how to request medical records before the facilities close. A good resource for those who might be wondering how to grasp the closure. Dr. Pawtucket says there are a few barriers to the solution, but there must be willingness and patience from everyone involved.
A willingness for the new practices to hire people, and for the pediatricians to want to work in the new practice environment, and then for the patients to want to go to those practices.
And how do I know I'm going to get the same care and love and respect like I did with Dr. Farvo?
The link to the Department of Health's new information page is on our website, turnto10.com. Molly Levine, NBC 10 News.